Hello everyone and welcome to thecreativeteacher.com. Today we're going to talk about vocabulary lessons. All the time teachers are complaining about the boredom during teaching vocabulary lessons. So in order to avoid boring lessons, we have to figure out new ideas which are motivating for our learners. Today we're going to talk about parts of the house and how to teach them in a new motivating way for learners, and it may last for long, of course. Therefore, I have designed this house for my learners. Of course, if you want, for example, to talk about a Japanese person, a Chinese maybe, an Arab person, you have to change the form of the house because the culture plays a role here. And I have chosen a character, for example, Margaret. You can choose any other character, for instance, Pierre. Today I'm going to use Margaret, and this is the house of Margaret. I stick this design on the board, then I have to tell learners that this is Margaret and she's going to describe her house for you. You have to listen to Margaret, then you try to match the names. All these names will be typed on the board. Learners have to listen to the teacher, then they try to match each part of the house with the right word. Pupils have to listen to the dialogue to the description that Margaret is going to talk about. Hello, my name is Margaret. I live in a beautiful cottage with 2 stairs not far from London. A cottage is a traditional English country house. When you get into the front door, you find a small hall. Here, the pupils have to look for the word hall and they put it in the right place, like this. On the right, you find the living room where the family sits together. The family members sit together and they have to watch TV and chat. So they have to look in the words and they find the word living room. Then, on the left, of course here we're going to use the prepositions of place, and this is of crucial importance during description lessons of describing a house. On the left, you find the kitchen where my mother prepares delicious meals. Where's the word kitchen? They put it here. Opposite to the kitchen, you find the dining room where we have all our meals, where we eat all our meals. Where is the dining room? They have to look for it and they put it here. Then you find stairs that take you upstairs. Upstairs, what you find the bathroom, where we have baths and maybe a toilet, of course. Then we have a bedroom on the left side of the bathroom, where we sleep. Bedroom. Upper to find the attic. Find the attic. On the other side of the house, or at the back of the house, you find the garage where my father parks his car. Next to it, you find a small garden where my mother likes planting beautiful plants. Of course, you can find as well a small door that takes to a balcony, a nice place to sit and have some rest. This is upstairs and this is downstairs. My house. Thank you so much for listening. This is how my pupils are going to learn how to describe parts of the house. Listen to the description, for instance, a kitchen where we cook, so they learn that the kitchen is this one using the pictures as well. Later, they have to describe their houses. Thank you so much for watching. See you another time. Please don't forget to leave a comment as encouragement for me. Thank you again and see you another time.